Just add cloves to the coffee powder, and you won't spend money at the market. Did you know coffee isn't just good for drinking? Coffee has been around for centuries, first discovered in Ethiopia, where people noticed how energetic their goats became after eating the beans. First, grab any dish you have and get 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. They don't even need to be fresh. You can use leftovers from this morning's coffee. Put them into your dish and add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Don't worry about the type of oil. Anything you've got in the kitchen will do. This trick works anywhere, inside the house, out on your patio, or even in your garden. It's super versatile, and people have been using it in rural areas for ages. Mix it well until the coffee and oil are fully combined. The smell of the coffee and oil will already start filling the air. Cloves, on the other hand, have been used as far back as ancient China. They were so valuable, people used them to keep their breath fresh when meeting royalty. Imagine that! Quick question before we move on. What's your go-to drink in the morning? Coffee? Tea? Let me know below, and I'll give one lucky person a shout-out in my next video. Well, you're about to find out how powerful this little mixture can be. Now, take a match or lighter and carefully light the edge of the mixture. So, why did we do this? Well, you know how summer brings those annoying mosquitoes into your house? And let's be honest, store-bought sprays are expensive and they smell awful. Plus, they're full of chemicals. This blend we just made is your new best friend for keeping mosquitoes, flies, and other bugs far away from your home. Not only does it repel them naturally, but it leaves your space smelling amazing. Love this tip? Make sure to check out my next video where I'll show why you should put a bottle in your bathroom drain.